Okay, so we're revisiting two-step equations, and you'll see here you've got a poster with the notes on it for you. So the first step is to draw the wall, so go ahead and draw the wall through your equal sign. Next, we're going to cover up the variable and the coefficient, so I'm just going to put it in a little bubble, okay? I'm not going to cover it up, but it's in a bubble. I don't want that anymore. Now, I need to get rid of what's outside of the bubble, which is the plus 8. So I'm here on step 3. I'm going to do the opposite of addition, and I'm going to subtract from the 8 and from the 12. I'm going to do that on both sides. Now I am left with the 2x divided by 3, and then 12 minus 8 is 4. Now we're on step 4, and we're going to do the opposite. And I have a fraction. So when you have a fraction, to get rid of it, you multiply by the reciprocal, which means you flip it over. So it's negative. Instead of 2/3, it'll be 3 over 2. Because if you multiply this out, you would get positive 1x. And now I have to multiply the other side also by negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to make my 4 fraction. So this becomes negative 12 over 2, or negative 6. So I wanted to give you an example with a fraction so that you would know how to do it if you have them in your practice problems, which I think you might have 1 or 2. So now we're just going to do about 5 practice problems. You're going to solve it. You're going to tell me what the first step was as well. So for this problem, the first step was to subtract 8 on both sides. On the exit ticket, the first question is going to ask you what was the first step, and the second question will ask you what is the answer. So just get used to practicing that.